Okay, I'm going to take out a pack of fruit snacks out of the freezer that's been in there for a month and a day. Oh, there it is. Welsh. Kitty, don't even think about licking the floor. Kitty! Kitty! Up, up, up! Up, up, up! Up, up, up! Alright. Take a look at this. Can you hold the camera?
What do you say?
Please. Well, they don't look like much.
I feel one.
It's just... Ew. Oh.
That's what happened to me.
Oh. Try one.
No.
Try one.
No, it tastes like turkey and ham and
No, it doesn't.
frozen meat.
Oh, orange tank. Oh. 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 Don't do that.
Okay.
Alright. I'm done. You know how I got this frozen fruit snacks? Well, now I'm going to make a giant fruit snack by microwaving them for a minute. It's on that much now. Alright, I'll resume it when it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done now. The reason I'm doing this is because, well, oh my god! Oh, no! Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my god, it's smoking. Oh my god. Oh my god! You would never believe what this made! Oh my god, this is oh my god, it was only a pack, it wasn't that much!
Did it catch on fire?
No, it just did this! Holy crap! Oh, don't worry, I'll clean that. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's all smoke in our house now. You can't see it or anything, but it's like a thin layer. Oh my god, I could smell it through the microwave. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. Now I'm going to take the rubber band off. The reason I did that is because my mom tells me to, because it apparently splatters on the microwave. So yeah, I'm going to pause it. Oh yeah, I took it off. Look at that. It was just one pack. It looks like it got bigger. That's so weird. And look, the cup got molded weird. It was plastic. Alright, so I'm done.